So the push to get local football restarted has received a major setback after news emerged last week that coming out of a secret Reggae Boys camp of local players, 2 players tested positive for COVID-19, and a whole heap of them are currently in isolation. And obviously, this is the fuel that the Ministry of Health and the Ministry of Sports want in a them fire to justify their hardline stance against the restart of football. And to make matters worse, the ministry, we understand, is claiming it gave no permission for the camp to be held. And like all of us, they are flabbergasted that a full squad of 23 players were invited, plus support staff put the gathering at about 40 people in this camp. This is a very bad look for the restart of football. And look, we're not even sure of the sense of this local players' camp at this time, since no football has been played locally for almost a year, and very few, if any, local players are expected to feature in the Gold Cup or the World Cup qualifiers. And if it even made sense under the circumstances, why were there as many as 40 people involved in this camp at this point? You see this latest development? In the quest to restart local football, this is like a